Hi everybody, welcome to Holy at Home week 6. I'd like you to think about who has helped you this week. Have a little think. Who's done something for you that's been a really nice gesture, or just something that's made you feel grateful? So I was thinking about the fact that my daughter helped the other day because she cooked dinner, which was great. And I was feeling a bit fed up and wanted to go for a walk and didn't really want to go on my own the other day. So my son said, I'll come with you. So we went off and we went and had a walk together, which was lovely because I wasn't on my own. And those things I really appreciated. They were little things, but I really, really appreciated them. I want you to think now about maybe how you've helped somebody else. What have you done this week to help someone? Have you, maybe made sure your bedroom was tidy? Have you kept the peace when you were feeling a little bit frustrated with a brother or sister? Which is completely understandable at the moment because often we're sort of together, aren't we, a lot of the time. So what have you done to help someone else? In our trust this week, we've been focusing on the Beatitudes. Now, I like the title of the Beatitudes because the word attitude is in there and it makes us think about the things that we should be doing and how the attitude we should have to do them. And Jesus highlights many of those people who help others in society. And they actually help us to be better people ourselves by listening to those stories, by following the example of those other people. And that's really relevant at the minute because there are lots of people who are helping us. There are lots of people who are a blessing to us and we really need to thank God for them. So this week at home, I would like you to maybe, if you wanted to, put together a little liturgy or just have a think about those people who are a blessing to us and who you would like to be thankful for, who we'd like to say thank you to God for. On a Thursday, a lot of us are going outside and we are clapping for those people who work for the NHS. But they aren't the only people that are helping us at the minute, are they? Yes, the doctors and nurses are doing their jobs, but there are lots of people who are helping us. Your teachers are helping you. They're working with the key worker children. They're sending work out to you. They're trying to keep you upbeat and positive and keeping you with those links with your school, which is really important. And then we've got those people who are keeping our supermarkets going so that we can have food and we can still have the things that we enjoy. The bin men are still collecting the rubbish to make sure that our streets are clean and our environment is good. So there are lots and lots of people that we have to be thankful for. Now we've attached to this video, you should be able to find it on our website, a set of pictures that have been drawn by a really clever lady called Dr. Claire Campbell. And actually it's the Beatitudes in the time of this COVID crisis, and she's done some lovely pictures. And I don't know if you can see one, there's one on my prayer focus here. And it says, blessed are the hospital workers, the doctors, the nurses, the paramedics, the care assistants, the cleaners, for they stand between life and death. The kingdom of heaven is theirs. We need to be really grateful for those people and to say thank you to God for them. I wonder what you could do. What could you do for somebody else? How could you be a blessing for that person? By listening to the Beatitudes, by following in the footsteps of those people who are thinking of others before themselves. So have a good week. Remember, if you do any pictures or you do a little liturgy and you'd like to share them with us, send them to us at our chaplaincy and we will be able to share them with everybody else. See you soon. Bye bye.